Hello, I'm Lucy from Let Me Be Frank. We're here today at the High Life Expo 2024. We're learning about sustainability in strata buildings. We've been here since this morning and hundreds of people have come through the door. We've had some amazing sessions, some amazing Q&As, and everybody's learning lots.
What brought me to the High Life Expo is that I get very excited about promoting sustainability in high-rise apartment buildings. The information, hearing from so many different people and perspectives, the stalls and the sessions both were fantastic. I've been waiting for a long time for a resource like this.
Learned about, certainly some of the technical aspects of future-proofing a building. I certainly learned about some of the details of the solar rebate.
I know quite a bit because my husband and I are really interested in climate change activism, but I think the one that was really interesting was electric vehicles and EV planning for the future.
When we saw the High Life Expo online, we thought we can definitely help and provide some information to work in this space of the industry.
The incredible sense of community that we've had here, these people who are living in apartments, wanting to improve them from a sustainability perspective, but also to connect with their neighbours and connect with like-minded businesses and organisations that can help them live more sustainably, more comfortably, more efficiently, has just been absolutely incredible.
There's always an opportunity to provide information for people. That all then works towards being more sustainable into the future.